Students, let's go on and see how to develop the main body of the letter, that is the 3 paragraphs of an application letter. Now, the first paragraph will be a combination of the subject line and the reference line. So here we have 2 different lines. When you make the first paragraph, you're going to join both the subject and the reference and write it as one sentence. So we start like this. With reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 3rd March 2015, comma, so your reference line has come. Now you will say, I wish to apply for the post of a sales representative. So we have written both the reference and the subject. Now the second paragraph could be developed by writing 1 or 2 sentences on 2 things. One is your qualification and second is the work experience. So probably you are trying to say that you've already worked as a sales representative and you will mention the experience. Sometimes you need not do that. If you are saying you're just a fresher, as in you've just completed your education, then you need to write only your qualification and any additional maybe a course or something that you have done. So either you write the work experience or you don't write, but the qualification is important. So in this case, we will write the qualification and we will also write the work experience. So it says here, I passed my BCom with first class from Mumbai University in May 2013 and I have also completed a diploma in business management. So that becomes your qualification. Now the next thing we said, we are going to mention the work experience. So you will say, I have also worked as a sales representative in a private firm. So you have mentioned both the qualification and the work experience in your second paragraph. That's how you develop it. And now we come to the third paragraph, students, which is again a conclusion. And in an application letter, you must conclude by showing your interest in the job. So you're trying to say you're really interested in the job, and this you will mention in the third paragraph, showing interest in the job. So here you will say, I assure you that if I am given the post, I shall give it my very best and shall not give you any chance to regret your decision. Okay, so here we have the third paragraph. Now students, of course, you have to write the subscription. Again, you could write yours truly or yours sincerely, comma, XYZ. So use one of the following for subscription. Yours faithfully, yours truly. Remember to put a comma. So don't forget the comma over there. Okay, you can see the circle there. Now the next thing, if you remember, we have enclosures. Students, already you can see we've written there the copy of biodata and a copy of the mark sheet. Of course, you could also write copy of work experience if you mentioned work experience. In this case, we will keep it as the copy of the biodata and also of the mark sheet. So this is enclosures. You have to write 2 points for it. You could also write 3 if you want to add work experience certificate. So students, that is how you write your application letter.